If you are interested, please join through that link. We will commence the webinar in a few minutes as some participants are still joining. To ensure a smooth and focused session, please keep your microphones muted during the session. Participants who unmute without prior permission may be removed. Good evening, everyone. We warmly welcome to the Vande Free International webinar on From Search to Scholarship AI in Academic Research. If you want to become a research person, a coordinator for a free online faculty development program, we will provide a link in the comment section. If you are interested, please join through that link. We will commence the webinar in a few minutes as some participants are still joining. To ensure a smooth and focused session, please keep your microphones muted during the session. Participants who unmute without prior permission may be removed. Good evening, everyone. We warmly welcome to the Wonderful International webinar on From Search to Scholarship AI in Academic Research. If you want to become a research person, a coordinator for a free online faculty development program, we will provide a link in the comment section. If you are interested, please join through that link. We will commence the webinar in a few minutes as some participants are still joining. To ensure a smooth and focused session, please keep your microphones muted during the session. Participants who unmute without prior permission may be removed. Good evening, everyone. We warmly welcome to the One Day Free International webinar From Search to Scholarship AI in Academic Research. If you want to become a research person, a coordinator for a free online faculty development program, we will provide a link in the comment section. If you are interested, please join through that link. We will commence the webinar in a few minutes as some participants are still joining. To ensure a smooth and focused session, please keep your microphones muted during the session. Participants who unmute without prior permission may be removed.
하나, 하나, 나는 피아노다. 하나 같이 니니 뭐
कहाँ चला लो
हाँ
कहाँ चला लो
नहीं चला पाता है
चलो
इधर इधर इधर
Our special thanks to you, convener Dr. Rino Shodhinan, HOD of Commerce, Lajpat PG College of Delhi. Mr. Aman Golisar, Research Scholar, Department Commerce and Management. Co-convener Shruti S. Sinan, Assistant Professor, Dayananda Sagar University, Bangalore. Coordinator Mr. Kisan Sopan Tawahari sir. Thank you all for Dr. Rahmata Ma'am, Assistant Professor of English, Srihar University of Chennai. Thank you for your explanation and effort, contribution, and continued support in planning, accelerating this session successfully. The Google Meet capacity currently full. If your friends or colleagues are waiting in lobby, then please suggest them join on YouTube live chat. The feedback and certificate link will share on YouTube live chat as well as Google Meet chat. I am Jyoti from Silakbud. Ms. Monalisa Pattanayak ma'am is an dedicated and academy and research specialization in marketing, consumer behavior, digital marketing, and strategic management. Currently serving as assistant professor at Shailava Women's Autonomous College. She possesses rich teaching and research experience across its repeated institution in Odisha. Pursuing her PhD in marketing from KL University. Also, she also holds an MPhil in marketing and an MBA with specialization in marketing and human resource management. Her academic interests included digital marketing, e-commerce, AI-driven marketing practices, consumer buying in a behavior, and a sustainable marketing strategy. With an impressive portfolio of Scopus and Web of Science in indexed publications, conferences, presentations, invited lectures, and research workshops. Ms. Patnaik has an actively contributed to contemporary marketing research and higher education. She has a pursued papers and presentations, national and international conferences organized by institutions including Indian Institute of Management, Simlapur Institute, Statistical Institute, and IIT Kharagpur, recognized with several awards such as Young Achieve Award and Best Research of the Year of Award. She is committed to be innovative teaching, interdisciplinary research, and academic excellence in management education. It's over to you, ma'am.
Good morning to good evening to all the participants, sir and madam. I am Monalisa Pattanayak, the assistant professor in marketing management from Sailabala Women's College, Cuttack, Odisha. Today I am going to present on the topic from source to scholarship AI in academic research. This is the topic from source to scholarship AI in academic research, human and AI collaboration in modern scholarship. So, this is the opening thought. Artificial intelligence is not just replacing the researchers, it is empowering researchers to think deeper, work smarter, and innovate faster. So this is an era of artificial intelligence. So all are knowing the artificial intelligence. So research has evolved from manual searching to intelligent discovery. AI is transforming every stage of academic research. So human creativity and AI collaboration will shape modern scholarship. Scholarship is the financial award that is given to the student to help pay for their education. So this is also known as the studentship, or we can tell it as Chhatravriti in the Hindi. So researchers now access information faster than ever before. Before, researchers were using the traditional method, but it is now very faster. They can use the AI, and academic productivity is increasing through AI integration. Ethical and responsible AI use also remains essential. We are using AI, so there should be ethical and responsible AI use that can be remain essential. We can use AI ethically. So objectives of my talk: first is to understand the evolution of academic research in the age of AI. Second is to explore AI tools for smarter literature review and data analysis. Will enhances or increases the research productivity or research output and academic writing. Fourth is to examine ethical considerations and academic integrity in AI use. 5 is to understand the future of scholarship, human to AI collaboration. So these are the objectives. Next, agenda of the presentation. These are all the session overview. From evolution of academic research in the age of AI to ethical considerations and academic integrity and future trends in human AI scholarly collaboration. So the meaning of academic research. So what do you mean by academic research? So this is the systematic investigation conducted to discover, interpret or revise facts, theories and applications. Characteristics of academic research. So we are doing the scientific inquiry, evidence-based analysis and critical thinking. Knowledge creation will be there, and problem solving orientation. The traditional research journey, research before AI. The characteristics were the manual library searches, printed journals and catalogs, and time consuming literature review process. Previously the literature review process was very much time consuming, but now we can do with the help of some AI tools. It is faster. So dependence on physical journals and books, handwritten notes and manual referencing, limited access to global research databases, or there is limited access, that is global accessibility was limited before. Slow data collection and analysis method. Before AI, there were the slow data collection and analysis methods. So these characteristics were the research before AI, or these were the traditional research journey. Next, there are some challenges in the traditional research. There are some limitations and challenges of conventional research methods or traditional research methods. Information overload and difficulty filtering sources, limited access to updated scholarly materials, delays in publication and dissemination, human limitations in handling large data set, repetitive administrative academic tasks, and there will be challenges or risk in the interdisciplinary collaboration. These are all the challenges we are facing in the traditional research or conventional research methods. The digital transformation of research. Now we are into the era of digital marketing or online marketing or web marketing or internet marketing. So all where we are using the digital marketing, there are digital transformation in research from library to digital knowledge systems. Before we are doing the manual search, that is we are searching the research things, we are going to library. Now that is there are a huge transformation, that is from libraries to digital knowledge systems. So major changes are there. So emergence of digital libraries and e-journals. Nowadays we are studying from e-books or e-journals. We are using the digital libraries. There are growth of online databases and indexing systems. We are using some online databases for our research and indexing systems. Expansion of open access publishing models and cloud-based academic collaboration platforms are there. Big data and computational research methods. There are faster global communication among the scholars. So we are using the online knowledge systems or digital knowledge systems, that is making our research more faster than before. So there are some research platforms. Those are Google Scholar, Scopus, Web of Science, and ResearchGate, academia.edu. These are the platforms we are using nowadays. We are the research scholar, researchers or assistant professors or associate professor or professors. We are using these research platforms mostly. So we are using the online knowledge systems. We are using the online research platforms or online databases. Emergence of artificial intelligence. So what is artificial intelligence or AI? So AI refers to computer systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. So what is the computer performing? That is mimicking the human. So AI can learn, reason, analyze and generate the outputs. And AI applications are expanding rapidly in education. So core areas of artificial intelligence are machine learning, or in short we can tell it ML. So ML is a major branch of AI. Natural language process or NLP, that is helping machines understand the human language. Deep learning, that is DL, that supports advanced data recognition. And we are using predictive analytics to predict from past data and predict for the future things. And automation also are the core areas of AI. There are rise of artificial intelligence or AI in research. So AI as a research partner, AI automates repetitive academic tasks. Machine learning will enable the intelligent pattern discovery, and natural language processing will support the literature analysis. Natural language processing will understand the human language or human sentiment, and that will support for the literature analysis. AI accelerates data interpretation and prediction. Intelligent systems will improve decision making in research. AI will support interdisciplinary innovation and collaboration. So through AI, we can do all the research based things. So AI is our research partner, we can say. So there are rise of AI in research. Nowadays we are frequently using AI or AI tools in the research. So AI and the research ecosystem, how AI is reshaping the research. AI applications in research, we are applying AI in the literature search automation, research recommendation systems, data analysis and prediction, and academic writing assistance, citation management, plagiarism detection. So these are very important in research, from library search to plagiarism detection, all where we are using the AI. Why AI matters in academic research? So there are importance of AI in scholarship. So AI will save the time in information retrieval. So that will help us to recovery of the information. Researchers can analyze large data sets efficiently. So we can use large data or big data efficiently through the help of AI. AI improves accuracy and consistency or reliability in research. Then intelligent systems will assist in evidence-based decisions. Collaboration across disciplines become easier. Innovation and creativity are enhanced or increased through the AI support. So there are importance of AI in scholarship. AI across the research life cycle, AI integration in research stages. So there are several stages. There we are using AI integration in research stages. First is topic identification and idea generation. When we are framing some research topic, so we have to identify the topic and idea generation will be there. This is the first step. Second, literature review and source discovery. Third is data collection and data cleaning. Statistical analysis and visualization will be there. Then writing, editing, referencing support we need. So for referencing we are using the Mendeley, Zotero, all the referencing softwares we are using now. So publication and dissemination assistance. So these are all the AI integration in research stages. So this is AI across the research life cycle. From topic identification to publication and dissemination assistant, all where we are using AI. AI and smart literature review, transforming literature exploration. So AI will identify relevant research articles quickly. Semantic search will improve source accuracy, and automated summaries reduce the reading time. Citation mapping reveals knowledge network. We are doing citation mapping also, that will reveal the knowledge networks. So citation mapping is a visual research technique that illustrates how scholarly papers, authors or ideas are connected to one another through citations. So these will help us to reveal the knowledge network. AI will detect emerging research trends, and researchers will gain deeper interdisciplinary insights. So through AI that can transform literature exploration. Google Scholar and AI based search, intelligent academic searching. So we are using the Google Scholar mostly. So this is a research database. So advanced search algorithm improve the retrieval recovery. Citation indexing enhances the academic discovery. Related articles suggestion support exploration. Metrics or measurement thing that will help identify influential publications. AI powered recommendation will save the time, easy accessibility for global researchers. So this Google Scholar is very helpful. So we can do advanced search algorithm to improve the recovery of data. Citation indexing we can do. Okay. So we are doing nowadays the intelligence academic searching through Google Scholar. Scopus and Web of Science research indexing platforms. These are the research indexing platforms. Comprehensive scholarly indexing databases. These are the comprehensive scholarly indexing databases. Citation analysis for impact assessment. We are doing citation analysis also. And research trend tracking and analytics, journal ranking and quality evaluation we are doing. And author profiling and collaboration mapping, valuable for systematic literature review. So we are using these research indexing platforms mostly. So AI based literature review tools, smart research assistants, we are using Elicit that will help summarize academic papers. We are using Research Rabbit that is visualizing the citation networks, connected papers. This is the AI tool for research that identifies related studies. We can relate another literature. So literature another related studies. Okay. So connected paper will identify related studies. Semantic Scholar will improve intelligence search, and consensus, that is the AI tool. These are all the literature review tools. So we can use this for literature review. Consensus extracts evidence based findings. Site that will analyze citation context and reliability. So these are some smart research assistants. So we can also remember these research assistants for literature review. Okay, these are AI based literature review tools. So AI in data collection, smarter research data gathering, automated survey distribution and responses. AI chatbot will assist in participation interaction, and social media data mining for research insights, real-time data collection through digital platforms, sensor-based and IoT data integration, reduction in manual data entry errors. So we can also use AI in data collection. So we can gather the research data smartly to using the AI or AI chatbots we can use. AI and big data analytics, handling large scale research data. AI processes massive data sets or large data sets efficiently. Pattern recognition improves the interpretation. Predictive analytics will support the forecasting models. We can predict for the future using the past data. Data mining also uncovers hidden relationships. AI enhances multi-dimensional analysis, faster evidence-based decision making. So AI will help in all this big data analytics, and it is handling the large scale research data. AI in statistical analysis, intelligent quantitative research, automated statistical testing and calculation. AI assisted SPSS and R programming support. Machine learning models will improve the predictions. Smart dashboards visualize complex data. AI will reduce analytical error and bias. Researchers focus more on interpretation. So we are using mostly AI in the statistical analysis also in the quantitative. In the qualitative research, we are using AI. We are enhancing the interpretive studies. NLP, that is natural language processing, will support thematic analysis of interviews. Automated transcription will save the time. Sentiment analysis we are using in qualitative research that identifies the emotional patterns. AI categorizes the qualitative responses efficiently. Large textual data sets will become manageable. So researchers gain deeper interpretive insights. So that is possible through AI. AI we can use in qualitative research too. Data visualization with AI, transforming data into knowledge. AI will create interactive charts and graphs. That is for the visualization purpose, data visualization. We can use AI to create interactive charts and graphs. Visualization tools will improve understanding. Infographics will enhance research communication. Dashboards will present real-time analytics. AI supports storytelling through data. Better presentations improve audience engagement. So all can possible, the data visualization thing can possible through AI. That is transforming data into knowledge. So AI can create the interactive charts and graphs, that is helping us to visualization of the data. Popular AI tools for researchers. Emerging AI research technologies. We are using the popular AI tools as a researcher or research scholar. We are using ChatGPT mostly. So ChatGPT for writing and idea generation. Grammarly we are using mostly. Grammarly for grammar and language refinement. Canva AI for presentation and design support. Nowadays we are using Canva AI for presentation and design support. That is, we are using Canva mostly. Jotero and Mendeley also we are using mostly for reference management. NVivo software we are using for qualitative data analysis. That is also, as a researchers or research scholar, we are using mostly. Tableau and Power BI for visualization purpose also we are using mostly. So these are all the emerging AI research technologies. ChatGPT, Grammarly, Canva AI, Jotero and Mendeley, NVivo, Tableau and Power BI. These we are using mostly. Which are popular AI tools for research scholars, researchers and professors. ChatGPT in academic research, AI powered research assistant, generate research ideas and outlines, assist in literature summarization, support drafting and editing of content, explains difficult concepts and theories, helps generate coding and statistical syntax, enhances productivity and learning efficiency. So we are using ChatGPT mostly. Whatever the queries we are asking to ChatGPT, we are getting the instant assistance or instant response from ChatGPT. We can generate research ideas and outlines. Research also ChatGPT will assist us in literature summarization also. That can support drafting and editing of the content and explain the difficult concept and theory, and that can generate also the coding and statistical syntax. Whatever the query we are doing for our research, it will solve our problem. That will enhance the productivity and learning efficiency. So ChatGPT is the AI powered research assistance. AI for academic writing, smarter scholarly communication. So AI improve grammar and sentence structure. Writing assistance enhance clarity and coherence. AI suggests academic vocabulary and tone. Automated proofreading reduce the error. Researchers save time in manuscript preparation. Better writing increases publication quality. So we are using AI for academic writing. So we are using also Grammarly, some writing assistance for enhance the clarity and the coherence. AI will suggest some academic vocabulary and tone. So we are using AI mostly for academic writing for smarter scholarly communication. AI and reference management, organizing scholarly sources, automated citation generation in multiple styles, easy organization of academic libraries, synchronization across devices and platforms, collaborative sharing of research references. AI recommends related scholarly materials, efficient management of large bibliographies. Bibliographies, you know, that is the list of references. References, that is the citations you are referring from other, referring the other authors. Okay, other research papers, some authors you are referring, that is references. Okay, so AI and reference management you are doing. So you are organizing the scholarly sources. So your automated citation generation in multiple styles. There are several styles of referencing: APA style, MLA style, Chicago style, Harvard style. So you know APA is the American Psychological Association, MLA is Modern Language Association, Chicago and Harvard styles are there. Okay, so you can automated citation generation in multiple styles through AI. Easy organization of academic libraries, you can do it through reference management, you can use the AI. Okay, nowadays you are using the Jotero, Mendeley. Okay, for the reference management you can easily organize your academic libraries there. Okay, you can just import and export all the research article in the using these reference management softwares. Okay, synchronization across devices and platforms, collaborative sharing of research reference. AI recommend related scholarly material, efficient management of large bibliography. So for reference management also you are using AI mostly. AI in research collaboration, global scholarly networking, cloud platforms enable real-time collaboration. AI translates multilingual academic content, that is multiple language. Okay, AI can translate multiple language. Okay, in the, that is the academic content. So virtual meetings connect international scholars. Okay, share databases, improve teamwork efficiently. Nowadays virtual meeting we are conducting, so we are using the platform like Zoom, Webex meeting. Okay, and then Google Meet, all these are virtual meetings that can connect the international scholars. And shared databases improves teamwork efficiency. AI supports interdisciplinary communication. Collaborative innovation becomes more accessible. So we can do global scholarly networking through AI. AI in academic publishing, transforming scholarly dissemination, automated formatting for journal submission. AI checks plagiarism and originality. We are using some software for plagiarism like Turnitin, Authenticate, and in my MPhil research I used the Urkund software. That time I used this for plagiarism checking. Nowadays in our PhD research we are using the Turnitin software mostly for plagiarism checking. Smart peer review assistance systems, improved manuscript screening processes, faster publication workflows and decisions, enhanced accessibility of scholarly outputs. So AI, we can use it mostly for academic publishing. AI and research productivity, we can use AI, we can work smarter and not harder. Okay. So automation reduces repetitive academic tasks. Researchers will focus more on creativity and innovation. AI will accelerate the project completion timelines. Efficient organization improves the workflow management. Intelligent reminders support deadline tracking. Better productivity enhances the research quality. So we can use AI smartly, not in the not hardly. Okay. So we are using AI mostly. We can use automation tool, that is AI tool, to reduce the repetitive academic tasks. Okay. So AI will also accelerate the project completion timelines. So, okay. We can use the AI tools to complete our project in the deadline. Okay. So intelligent reminders also supports deadline tracking. We can use some intelligent reminders to complete our work. So better productivity will enhance the research quality. So we can use for research productivity. We can use AI smartly, not hardly. AI and innovation in scholarship, expanding research possibilities. AI encourages interdisciplinary discoveries. Novel methodologies emerge through technologies. Novel methodology means new methodology will emerge through technologies. Simulation models improve experimentation. AI support hypothesis generation and testing. Researchers can explore complex systems easily. Innovation drives global academic advancement. So we are using AI for expanding the research possibilities. So we can use AI in the innovation in scholarship. Ethical consideration in AI research. So there is responsible AI use, or we can use AI responsibly. So ethical guidelines are essential for AI integration. So we can use ethically. We can use AI ethically. Ethical guidelines we can use. These are essential for AI integration. Transparency in AI generated content is necessary. There is some clarity or transparency in AI generated content that is necessary. Researchers must ensure accountability or responsibility and honesty. AI bias can influence research outcomes. Human oversight remains critically important. Ethical scholarship protects academic credibility. So we can use AI ethically. So there we can there are some ethical consideration in AI research. Academic integrity and AI, maintaining scholarly honesty. So avoiding plagiarism in AI assisted writing. Nowadays we are taking the help of AI mostly, but we should avoid plagiarism in AI assisted writing. We can remove the plagiarism or reduce the plagiarism if any while we are using the AI assisted, while we are doing the AI assisted writing. So we should avoid plagiarism or copy paste things. So proper citation of AI generated contributions, we can properly cite, or we can cite from other authors. Okay, that is reference. Properly we can reference from cite the other authors, okay, of AI generated contribution. While we are using AI, we can properly cite the things. Ensuring originality in academic submissions. So we can ensure the originality in academic submissions. Whatever our work, that should be original or genuine work, okay. That should not be copy paste or manipulated things. So ensuring originality in academic submissions, balancing AI support with human creativity. Universities should develop the AI usage policies. Integrity remains the foundation of scholarship. So integrity or honesty is very, very important. That remains the foundation of scholarship. Over dependence on AI may reduce the critical thinking. We can use AI, we can depend it, but over dependence of AI may reduce the critical thinking. So if we are using AI mostly, but there will be human thinking, and over dependence of AI may reduce the critical thinking, or there will be no human touch or human feeling. So we can use AI wisely. AI generated misinformation can spread rapidly. Bias in algorithms affect research fairness. Data privacy and security concerns exist. Ethical misuse of AI tools is possible. We can use AI tools ethically. Okay. Ethical misuse of AI tools we are doing, that we cannot do misuse of AI tools. So digital inequality limits the AI accessibility. So these are all the concerns in AI adoption or risk and challenges of AI. AI bias and fairness, understanding algorithmic bias. AI systems learn from existing data sets. So whatever the existing data set, AI system can learn from existing data sets. Biased data may produce unfair outcomes. There should not be biasness of data that will produce the unfair outcome. And researchers must evaluate AI generated results critically. And diverse data sets improve fairness and accuracy. There are large data sets or diverse data sets that can improve the fairness and accuracy. Ethical AI development requires inclusivity. We can use AI ethically. Transparency builds trust in AI systems. So there should be some transparency or clarity that will build trust in AI systems. So data privacy and security, protecting research information. Confidential data must remain protected. Secure digital storage is essential. AI tools should comply with privacy regulations. Researchers must use trusted platforms. Cyber security awareness is increasingly important. Ethical data management supports credibility. So there is some data privacy and security things. We can protect the research information. So we can use AI tools that can comply with privacy regulation. As a researcher, we must use the trusted platforms. Cyber security awareness also should be there, that can be increasingly important. Ethical data management should be there, that will support the credibility. And secure digital storage is essential. So we can use the data, we can think for data privacy and security. Human intelligence versus artificial intelligence, complementary strengths. So human provide creativity and ethical judgment. AI offers speed and computational efficiency. Emotional intelligence, that is EI, remains uniquely human. Emotion and intelligence, these are the two key words, okay, that is connected with both heart and brain. Emotional intelligence, that is the EI, okay, that is the that is we are using it in human resource management mostly. So emotional intelligence will remain uniquely human, and in emotional intelligence we can also we can understand others' feelings also. Emotional intelligence that remain uniquely human. AI excels in pattern recognition and automation. Collaboration creates stronger research outcomes. Human oversight ensures meaningful scholarship. So, human intelligence versus artificial intelligence. We can use AI, but we can use AI ethically, and AI will offer speed and computational efficiency, but there we can need some human touch, or human intelligence remain uniquely human, okay. So human oversight will ensure the meaningful scholarship. So that is complementary strengths should be there. Human AI collaboration in research, partnership for future scholarship. AI acts as an intelligent research assistant. Researchers guide interpretation and innovation. Collaboration improves research efficiency. Human values shape ethical AI application. AI expands possibilities for academic exploration. Partnership enhances global knowledge creation. So, AI can act as the intelligent research assistant. Okay? Researchers guide interpretation and innovation. Okay, collaboration improves research efficiency. So, partnership for future scholarship. Okay, AI can expand possibilities for academic exploration, and partnership will enhance the global knowledge creation. There is human AI collaboration in research. Future of AI in education, transforming learning environments. Personalized learning through intelligent systems. AI tutors support the student engagement. Adaptive assessments improve evaluation methods. Virtual laboratories expand practical learning. Smart classrooms enhance educational experiences. And lifelong learning becomes more accessible. We can transform the learning environments through AI, that is future of AI in education. We can use the virtual laboratories, we can use the smart classrooms, and adaptive assessment should be there. We can use the AI tutors or personalized learning through intelligent systems. So lifelong learning can become more accessible. AI and interdisciplinary research, breaking academic boundaries. AI can connect multiple disciplines effectively. Collaborative research solves complex problems. Data integration improves holistic understanding. Interdisciplinary innovation drives societal progress. AI supports new hybrid academic fields. Diverse perspectives strengthen the scholarship. So AI can connect with multiple disciplines effectively, that is breaking the academic boundaries. AI and interdisciplinary research. As a researcher, we can use AI for the interdisciplinary research or collaborative research we can do to solve the complex problems. Okay, interdisciplinary